Mastering reflexive pronouns. A key to understanding yourself in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome to our new English language lesson. Today, we'll be diving deep into a special type of personal pronoun called reflexive pronouns. Understanding and using reflexive pronouns correctly can really polish your English communication skills. So, let's get started. Reflexive pronouns are a type of pronoun that end in self or selves. They are used when the subject and the object of the sentence are the same person or thing. In other words, the action of the verb reflects back to the doer. The reflexive pronouns in English are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Let's break them down. Singular reflexive pronouns: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself. Plural reflexive pronouns: ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Reflexive pronouns are mainly used in two situations. 1. When the subject and the object of the sentence are the same. For instance, I cut myself while cooking, or she talks to herself when she is nervous. 2. For emphasis, to stress on who is performing the action. For example, I did it myself, or they cooked dinner themselves. Remember, a reflexive pronoun must refer back to another noun or pronoun used earlier in the sentence. Incorrect usage of a reflexive pronoun can lead to confusion. Avoid the common error of using reflexive pronouns in place of personal pronouns. For example, it is incorrect to say, my friend and myself went to the park. The correct form is, my friend and I went to the park. Similarly, don't use a reflexive pronoun after prepositions of place. For example, instead of, he put the books beside himself, say, he put the books beside him. And that brings us to the end of our lesson on reflexive pronouns. We hope you now have a better understanding of what reflexive pronouns are, how to use them, and common mistakes to avoid. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using reflexive pronouns in your daily conversations and writing to improve your fluency in English. See you in the next lesson.